Ay, perdí la virginidad.
We're in the backside of Amalia, looking at all the beautiful vegetation. This is where a lot of the cabanas are gonna go. So you can literally sleep among the trees. So we have all kinds of things here. This is the main kind of patio. Here we're gonna have all kinds of cabanas, coffee tours. This is literally the most historic coffee farm, coffee plantation in Colombia's history, in my opinion. Hundreds and hundreds of years of history, which I'll tell you guys about that over here over time. If you guys come over here, we have absolutely everything on the property, from avocados to, I don't know if you guys can hear the birds singing, tangerine trees, frambuesas is, I believe, strawberries, mangoes, bananas, and all those are tangerine trees. So the idea is that we'll have a farm alongside the massive amount of coffee that we have as well, and be able to serve organic food, really high quality food, which is going to be great. This is the main house. You guys are going to see a little bit of work being done, so things are a little bit sporadic now because we're starting to redo the house. And I'll introduce you guys to John, which is what they call here a mayordomo. This is one of the hallways down here. In the back part, we're gonna put the restaurant. I'll show you guys the before and after. There's an amazing amount of work here on the property as well. If you guys take a look at these little tiles, they're done by a few famous artists here in Colombia. This is John. John, ¿por qué no le dices a todo el mundo por qué deberían visitar a Amalia?
La Amalia es un lugar turístico hermoso, la mejor finca que hay en Antioquia. Fue la primera finca productora de café que hubo en nuestro país. O sea, y es algo bonito, algo histórico. Los estamos invitando para que vengan a conocerla. Es muy bonita y tiene muchos lugares bonitos.
So I'm going to show you guys kind of all around the place. We have the before and after, so we can show you what everything looked like before and after. We're in the middle of extending the deck. This is where we're going to have all of the restaurant. And the idea here is we're going to extend the deck. The deck before only came to the bamboo trees. And so the idea is to extend the deck all the way back, and this is going to be the restaurant where everybody can have breakfast, you know, come and hang out. Over here on the left, this building won't exist in the future. That'll be something a little bit different. We'll come around here. We just did a little walk around the tour. I found a huge area with strawberries, and the idea is to be able to grow that stuff, to be able to serve it. Here's the old school plaque. So this used to be a fountain, and what I like about John, the guy that you guys just met in the yellow shirt, he actually used to play here when he was a kid, when he was a baby and a young kid, like literally jumping around in the pool and stuff. So we're going to restore that to its former glory. We have koi fish. These two are made by a famous Colombian artist. These are really beautiful. And if you guys can see there, those are the koi fish. We're gonna make a little water park around. This is the life. ¿Cierto, amor? ¿Cierto? Uy. There's avocado. I have banana down here. All this is going to be planted with herbs and gardens. You guys can see the little walkway over there. I'll show you guys the waterfall. This is a mango tree. So we're going to have mangoes 2 times a year, in June and December. I'll show you guys the mango. That over there, that big building with the columns, used to be where they processed the coffee. So they would, this entire area here, Venecia, the town, was a gigantic coffee plantation. It was so big and so, I don't know if powerful is the right word, but significant, especially for the area, that they literally had their own coins. So that building over there with the columns is where they actually used to dry the coffee and process the coffee, and we're thinking about putting the museum over there. This is where they used to shower, wash the clothes. We have some more plants and everything here. And this is where they used to shower, right over here. And now I'll show you guys where the kitchen is gonna go. And then the back side of the deck. And I'll also try to show you guys where we have the, where we're gonna put the beach. The beach we're gonna call Venezia Beach, like Venice Beach. Literally the translation is Venice Beach. Because in California, obviously there's Venice Beach and this town is called Venezia. So these are the old bathrooms. This is really, really cool. Check all this out. So the Amalia, the mother who created this finca, used to travel all over the world. She used to travel hours and hours and hours and hours with tons and tons and tons of bag of coffee over the mountains of Colombia to the port and then take them to Europe and all those things. If you guys saw, are actually from Europe. This is gonna be the back entrance. This is gonna be the back entrance to the kitchen. All this is gonna be the kitchen. This is gonna be open air, so we're gonna have a barbecue, grill, all that stuff. This is back over around the deck. So you guys can see we kind of came all the way around. That's how deep the new place is gonna go underneath. So what we did was where we started, we came to the left and now we went all the way around. And then over here, this is gonna be the kitchen. This is the wine cellar right in here. And then that over there is gonna be the bathroom, which they're taking apart right now. This is, so we got this in July of 2017. We're now in April 11th, my birthday, on 2018. So we cleaned up most of the property. A lot of the properties alongside are going to be part of the project. And then now we're in day 3 or 4 of the actual demolition. And so this is, go ahead and, dale tranquilo. And this is where my tour will end. This is basically taking everything apart. Now we're going to head back to Medellin. How beautiful is that? Check that out. If you guys see that, those are the old kind of placards, you know, for the bullfighting. And now we're back around to the front. Really, really excited about the project. This is going to be an absolutely enormous project. We're going to have, you know, the beach, the pool, cabanas, coffee tours, paragliding, which is a bit closer than where the paragliding is now in Medellin. Venezia is about, I would say, between 50 minutes to an hour, 15 minutes southwest, if I'm not mistaken. Southeast or southwest, one of the two. I think it's southwest of Medellin. And yeah, this is gonna be the place to be. We're gonna have weekend parties, we're gonna have concerts, convention center. I'm super, super excited. So I'll leave you guys here and we'll keep giving you updates.